Today I'm going to show you how to do a cheat zero round for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a cheat zero round, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your pop zero round. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. When you start this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance looking forward at your target. You're going to bring your cheat leg up to a front side cheat, jump, and throw your round kick, and then land with your non-kicking leg followed by your kicking leg into a front side stance. Or you can let your kicking leg follow all the way through back to a backside stance. So let's go ahead and break this move down into progressions. The first progression is going to be a cheat round kick. The second progression is going to be a cheat round follow through. And you're basically just doing your cheat round kick, but you're going to be kicking while you're in the air. Let's check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support this channel just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be going over a swing zero round, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz. My hands are freezing cold right now. Whew. Swing zero round, okay, I was right. Oh God, it's freezing out here.